What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the clubhouse. I'm gonna try to be as brief as I possibly can with this. First and foremost, I want to thank everybody that's been reaching out to us over the last couple of weeks since we've started doing the videos again, as well as thank everybody that was reaching out before we started doing the videos again, checking on us, making sure everything was all right. We're absolutely fine, guys. We just had to take a break from doing the videos, and in the process of that break, we decided to capitalize on a new business venture that we could do alongside driving our truck, and that's financial services and life insurance. My wife is now a licensed life insurance in the state of Arizona, also state of Texas, Maryland, North Carolina, and Georgia, I believe. The reason why we decided to get into financial services, and she's also in the process of getting her securities license so she can handle 401ks, stocks, bonds, etc. But the reason why we decided to get into financial services was mainly because we went through a bit of a situation when I lost my dad a couple of years ago. And unfortunately, many Americans, they either have no life insurance or they don't have enough life insurance. And we wanted to teach individuals the importance of having some coverage on themselves just in case the inevitable happens. Because it's not a matter of if we're going to die, it's a matter of when we're going to die, because everybody's going to die. And the hard conversation with life insurance is talking about dying. And a lot of people don't want to talk about dying, but unfortunately we have to. After my dad passed, he didn't have enough life insurance, and he had enough to bury him and, put a little money in our pockets, but, it wasn't enough to take care of the house, or at least, take care of the house for a couple of years until my mom decided whether or not she was going to sell the house or keep it or whatever the case may be. So after we went through that, we lost a few friends, a few family members, and many of them didn't have life insurance. And what typically follows nowadays in this new age after somebody dies is GoFundMe pages, fish fries, cookouts, people walking up and down the median with a sign asking to help bury somebody or to help take care of somebody's kids because they didn't have any life insurance. And we, over the last couple of years after my dad passed, and seeing that over and over and over again, it just made us say, you know what? We have the means to get into this industry and educate people on financial literacy and the importance of having life insurance and having enough life insurance to secure your family when the day comes. So we got into it, and we've been doing relatively well. One of our main focuses is on the trucking community, because we are in an industry where every trip could be our last trip. And we have seen far too many of our trucking friends, they leave out on the run and they don't come back home. And then the next thing you know, we're seeing the GoFundMes to help their kids, and the GoFundMes to help them help their family bury them. And it doesn't have to be this way. People spending $50, $60 a week on Starbucks, cut that in half, $25, $30 a month on some life insurance is nothing. So we decided that we were going to do this, and we were going to help educate families, especially single mothers with children. If something happens to that single mother, who is going to take care of her children? Or a single father, who's going to take care of his children? Or if that father leaves out on a run and he doesn't come back, is he going to leave his family okay, or is he going to leave his family in turmoil? So that is one of those are the main reasons why we decided to get into the life insurance industry as well as financial services, because we also teach people what to do with that that policy once it pays out. Because a lot of people have this misconception that life insurance is for them. No, life insurance is not for you. It is on you. It is for the people that you leave behind. So if you know what to properly do with your life insurance policy once it pays out, you can set all of that up while you're still alive to make sure that you create generational wealth for your children and your grandchildren and their children by setting up trusts and by setting up mutual accounts, et cetera, that's built into the trust that will essentially create trust fund babies within your family. So if you guys want any information on how you can become an agent, please reach out to us. It's a very simple process. You cannot have any felonies because you have to go through the state to get your license, and they will do a background check. And it's a very simple process. If you want to learn more about trusts and wills and creating generational wealth for your children and their children, please reach out to us. And lastly, if you want a free quote on getting yourself some coverage and getting your family some coverage, please reach out to us. We are always available, and we will get you taken care of. We will get your family protected. And again, if you are looking to make some extra income by becoming an agent, we got you. So thank y'all again for checking on us. The Real Trucker Couple is still doing their thing. I think we're about to be the real life insurance agent couple or something like that. But anywho, thank y'all so much for joining me for this quick video. And we always look forward to your comments and your questions on our trucking videos, as well as this video right here. Thank you so much.